Hi everyone, welcome to day 9 of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed 90 Days to Cancer Resilience series. Today we are talking about the best sources of antioxidants to help boost our health. Berries come in very high up. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with vitamins and anthocyanins that reduce inflammation and protect us against disease. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula are rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which will help support eye health and reduce oxidative stress. Nuts and seeds like walnuts, pecans, almonds, and pumpkin seeds are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols that help to support our heart health and to reduce inflammation. Then we have fruits other than berries. Fruits like pomegranate, cherries, oranges, and apples are rich in antioxidants that boost our immune system and help to protect cells from damage. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Herbs and spices like turmeric, ginger, garlic, and cloves have powerful antioxidant properties. But remember, chop your garlic and let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes to release the allicin, and make sure you combine your turmeric with black pepper for a much better absorption. The idea is to incorporate these antioxidant-rich foods into your diet and boost your heart health, protect your body. For more tips and details, watch the full video on YouTube and stay resilient.